Hello everyone, welcome back to our short video. Today we are going to learn about Unit 2, Unity. So what is unities? Another important element of a good paragraph is unities. Every good paragraph has unity, which means that only one main idea is discussed. For example, if your paragraph is about the advantages of English, discuss only those. Do not mention the disadvantages of English or the fee and time spent for studying English. Sometimes students write supporting sentences that are off the topic. These sentences are called irrelevant sentences. Irrelevant sentences. So it is not related to the topic, it about the topic that we do not, so unity we do not discuss a lot beside, for example, English. Okay, advantage of English, so we discuss only advantages of English. We do not mention about disadvantages of English or fees and time spent for studying English. Let's move to the next. Studies the following paragraphs. All of them discuss the main topics in your opinion. Which paragraph has unities and which two do not? Okay, which two do not? Which paragraph talked more than one topics? Okay, so which paragraph talk more than one topics? Which paragraph has irrelevant sentences? So let's take a look, everyone. So paragraph 1, the usefulness of English. Study English is useful for three main reasons. Firstly, we find it easy to communicate with the world because English is spoken worldwide. Second, we have the priority to pursue our higher education abroad. As you can see, most universities in the world, especially those in America, require students to have good English. In addition, it is easy for us to pursue our higher education abroad as well as we know French well. Finally, we can do the research easily if we know English, for most books related to environment, science, philosophy, education, and so on are written in English. In conclusion, English can give us three main benefits: worldwide communication, higher education, opportunities, and an easy way to do research. So look at the first paragraph, everyone. Okay, the first paragraph, the usefulness of English. Look at this paragraph. Which one is irrelevant? Okay, irrelevant sentences. It means that's not related to the usefulness of English, that we don't want to mention about other points. So let's see. We can do research easily, we know English. It is okay. But let's check other sentence. Yes, in addition, it is easy for us to pursue our higher education abroad as well if we know French well. Okay, so we do not mention about French. It is not unities that out of topic. Our topic that we mention only is the usefulness of English. Okay, let's see the next paragraph. Paragraph 2. It is the same topic. Okay, it is the same topic, the usefulness of English, but How about this paragraph? It is good or it is out of the topic? Studying English is useful for three main reasons. Firstly, we find it easy to communicate with the world because English is spoken worldwide. Second, we have the priority to pursue our higher education abroad. As you can see, most universities in the world, especially those in America, require students to have good English. Finally, we can do the research easily if we know English, for most books related to environment, science, philosophy, education, and so on are written in English. In conclusion, English can give us three main benefits: worldwide communication, higher education opportunity, and an easy way to do research. So let's check for this paragraph A1. For the paragraph 2, can we see irrelevant sentences? Okay, so finally we do research easily. We know English for the most related to environment. Okay, so this paragraph is very good. We do not mention other sentences that not relate to about this topic, so it is good for the topic that we focus only the usefulness of English. We not focus on the language, we not focus about the school fee, we not focus about the spending time. Okay, so look at the last paragraph A1, paragraph 3. Okay, the usefulness of English. It is the same paragraph, but we want to find irrelevant sentences that is not the sentence that we don't want to mention. Okay, if we mention another point, it is, and we can say it's irrelevant sentence or irrelevant sentences. Studying English is useful for the main reasons. Firstly, we have found it easy to communicate with the world because English is spoken worldwide. Second, we have the priority to pursue our higher education abroad. As you can see, most universities in the world, especially those in America, requires students to have good English. In contrast, studying English also has two main disadvantages. The initial disadvantages is that you have to spend a lot of money studying English. Another disadvantage is that you have to spend a lot of time. For example, you may spend 1, 2, or 3 hours every weekdays for a long time to master the English language. So let's check. Do you see here in contrast? So this topic we focus about the usefulness of English. We do not mention other disadvantages of learning English. Okay, so this sentence is irrelevant sentences that is not good for this paragraph. It our topic. Okay. Finally, we can do the research easily if we know English, for the most book related to environment, science, philosophy, education, and so on are written in English. In conclusion, English can give us three main benefits: worldwide communication, higher education, and an easy way to do research. And this sentence is related to this topic, but some sentences like the in contrast we do not use about it, or these sentences that we can say it they are irrelevant sentences in this paragraph, so this paragraph is not good. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. this video will be continue to the unit 3, okay, to unit 3s.